We reached the end of the biggest launch ever made by a digital marketing platform. Stay tuned in this video and I will tell you what was the result and what will happen from now on. I am Mark Salgado and this is another episode of the 5 Minutes with the CEO. During the month of October, we launched Builderall 4.0, and it was the biggest launch ever made by a digital marketing platform. Not only because of the $165,000 in prices, but also because of the reach and the sales. We started the launch with 240,000 active users in Builderall, and we are ending this launch with 312,000 active users. More than 70,000 people create an account on Builderall, and the incredible conversion rate made this launch bigger than the last 3 launches combined. In fact, during the launch period, we sold more accounts than one of our competitors has sold in the last 3 years, thanks to the incredible work done by the affiliates and the level of quality that Builderall has achieved. And just like this, Builderall is on its way to become the largest digital marketing platform in the world. Not only because of the number of tools, solutions, infrastructure, and quality, but also the number of users. And let it be noted that your commitment and participation in this launch motivates us to create more and more new strategies and services, so that our working relationship is even more lasting and profitable. Well, the sales competition is over, but we still have a few days to confirm the 40 winners. But so far, the first 3 placed in the competition qualified to win more than $100,000 in awards. First, Ricardo Santos, second, Franco Dorival, and third, James Neville Taylor. Congratulations to the winners who did an incredible job, and congratulations to all the 37 other winners to the MacBook Pro, who also did an essential job for the success of this launch. Well, the launch is over, but what happens now? Our goal now is to work intensely with the new users so they can quickly master the platform and put their business online. During the month of October, we brought thousands of new users. Now our focus is to help these new users to use the platform. And for that, we are providing new hires and partnerships with key people to help us with this task. As well as we already have a whole program of courses and special training in our communities. So it's very important that you join our Facebook communities, subscribe to your YouTube channel, and stay tuned to all communications both in the communities and via email. And in the first week of November, we are starting a Thanksgiving challenge where our team will offer a complete training with everything that you need to know to put your business online and sell your products, taking advantage of the Thanksgiving season, even if you don't know anything yet. These trainings are available to our users in our community, so be sure to not miss this opportunity to take advantage of the Thanksgiving and generate new businesses. Again, my thanks to all the Builderall family that made this launch a complete success, and I will see you inside our community. More than 70,000. And just like this, Builderall is on its way to become the largest digital marketing platform in the world. No? What? On its way. Let it be noted that as well we already have. So it's very important that you join our Facebook communities, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned to our communications, both in the communities and via email. Okay, again.